Hi guys, and this is our new tutorial about the Instagram application. So today we will show you how to block or unblock someone on Instagram app. So let's go to this application. Right now we are on our profile page, but as an example we will go to the search section to find the needful account, to needful user, as an example, to block him. We will choose Apple really as an example. So we have the user we want to block, so we need to tap on the three dots icon at the top bar of the screen and tap on the block feature. Sorry, not. It was my mistake. Repeat after me, please. Block feature. Okay, and we have two options. The first one is to block on this selected user, and the first one is to block the selected user and all of the new accounts he will create. So I will choose the first feature I said about and tap on the block. Well done. Right now the selected user, the selected account was blocked. How to unblock him? Let's pick on the three dots again and tap on the unblock feature. Repeat our settings, dismiss, and refresh. Well done! Right now Apple account is successfully unblocked. In this way you can manage this feature and unblock or block the selected user on your account. So guys, don't forget about likes, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and goodbye!